Critical appreciation of Indian English poetry. Poetry is the oldest form of Indian English literature. Indian poets writing in English have succeeded to reveal typical Indian situation. H.L.V. Dereggio is considered as the first poet in the lineage of Indian English poetry, followed by Sri Aurobindo, Sarojini Naidu, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Toru Dutt, and others. As it is truly said about the Indian English poetry that Indian poetry in English has a longer and more distinguished tradition than Indian fiction in English. A new form of English poetry had been discovered by Indian poets by using Indian culture, tradition, issues, and circumstances. Indian English differs from native English in various ways like theme, language, style of writing, imagery, and so on. The poems are written in Indian English get more connected to Indians because it is for the Indians and by the Indians. Nissim Ezekiel is considered to be a pioneer figure in modern Indian English poetry. In his poems, like Night of a Scorpion, is extremely significant in the study of Indian content, where the poet's mother is stung by a scorpion. This is a typical family situation where the world of superstitions and the world of science collide at loggerheads. The poem evokes superstitious practices and enacts an impressive ritual in each Indian culture scene is brought out. I remembered the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. His other poems, like The Railway Clerk, Enterprises, and Poet Lover, Birdwatcher, are the famous poem in which Ezekiel has fused the essence of Indianness. If we if we talk about Toruda's poetry, it is difficult to make any nice distinction between her poetry. Torudat is often considered the first Indian poetess to write verses in French and in English. She attained much recognition for her compositions. She died at the early age of 21. She has written many poems like Christmas, Lakshman, Our Kesurana Tiri, The Young Captive, and so on. In Our Kesurana Tiri, she celebrates the majesty of the Kesurana tree that she used to see by her window and remembers her happy childhood days spent under it and revives her memories with her beloved siblings. It still remains one of the most popular poems in modern Indian literature, as she says in the poem, Dear is the Kesurana to my soul, beneath it we have played. Though years may roll in in Ramanujan's poem, we find the self-portrait that shows his excellent grasp over the use of images and depicts the experiences and emotion in his poetry. His two volumes of poetry, The Strider as well as Relations, deals with the events which happened in his family. His poem A River describes the coldness of new poets towards the reality of the things. His contribution of poems sparkles the glory of Indo-Anglican poetry and its regime. Any discussion in Indian English poetry is incomplete without talking of Jayant Mahapatra and his poetical works. Poet and essayist, Mahapatra holds the distinction of being the first Indian English poet to have received the Sahitya Academic Award in 1981 for relationship. He is such a poet who has presented the miserable and critical condition of women of the Indian society. In his poem Indian Summer and the Ore House in a Calcutta street, he depicts the pathetic condition of women who struggle hard in the household of works to feed the family even in scorching summer. And in the Ore House in a Calcutta street, women passes smiles to passerby to hide their internal pain so that they can earn some bread for 2 times. As he says in the poem, walk right in, it is your where the house smiles wearily into the lighted street. Think of the woman. Sarojini Naidu, also known by the sobriquet the Nightingale of India, was an Indian independence poetess. Her poetry had beautiful words that could also be sung. She got recognition as the Bulbul Hind when her collection of poems published under the title of Golden Threshold. Her other collection of poems, The Bird of the Time and The Broken Wings, her poem had English words but an Indian soul. Kamala Das was one of the recognized major Indian English poets. She has noted for her many Malayalam short stories as well as many poems written in English. Kamala Das' first book of poetry, Summer in Calcutta, was a breath of fresh air in Indian English poetry. She wrote chiefly of love, its betrayal, and the consequence and anguish in the dance of eunuchs. The poet, who is a victim of patriarchal society, talks about the dance of transgender. The transgender are too a victim of the social norms which alienate them from being treated as normal humans. Therefore, in a nutshell, with the emergence of new poets maintains the dignity and glory of the Indian English poetry. It has reached to the highest peaks by the contribution of the poems of the poet. There also emerges many Indian poets who has contributed in the field of poetry, like K. Andarwala, Giv Patel, Bikram Seth, and many more. Thank you. For more video on English literature, subscribe my YouTube channel English Literature 360 degree YouTube logo DP.